Hello guys, welcome to MA300 OL3 fully online class in the spring 2024 semester. And in this video, I'm going to give you some brief introduction to our Brightspace course. So first of all, you log on to Brightspace and you're going to see this particular interface. Okay, so let's jump into the syllabus and textbook first. Click on that. And you're going to see there's a free textbook here as a PDF file. You can view that at your convenience, so you don't have to purchase the textbook. That's a good thing. And also, let's jump to the syllabus really quickly. So open the syllabus. So I'm just go over the information in our syllabus, right? So this is MA300 fully online, spring 2024, mathematical modeling of business applications. And my contact information here. Shoot me an email if you have any question throughout the semester. The textbook is a free textbook for MA311 by Renee Mathis. Okay, you can open that at your in the same location over there. So next item in the syllabus is the grade distribution. So homework number 1 is worth 14%. Homework from section 1.3 to 2.3. So you're going to submit the homework as a bulk submission. I'm gonna talk about that in a second. Homework number 2 from section 3.1 to 3.4. That's also worth 14% of the final course grade. Homework number 3 from section 4.1 to 4.2, it's worth 12%. And written project number 1 is worth 20%. Written project number 2 is worth 20%. Written project number 3 is worth 20%, right? That give you the total 100%. And the course grade is based on the following criteria. So 93 to 100 is A. So I'm going to follow this very closely when I assign the final course grade. And the overall expectation for the course, you are expected to complete the course by yourself. You should not hire anybody to take the course for you, right? That's not allowed. No late work will be accepted during the semester. Once the Dropbox for a particular assignment disappears, the assignment will not be accepted. And any assignment submitted via email will receive the grade of 0, right? So you should not submit your assignment via email. Okay. And then homework, in order to get credit for the homework, you must submit it via Brightspace, clearly marked with your name, clearly printed. You must show all work for the homework assignments to receive full credit. You must scan the homework assignment as a PDF file. No other format is allowed, right? You can have a bulk submission for all 3 homework assignments. For all written projects, for all 3 written projects, you must show all work to receive full credit. You must scan a written project as a PDF file. No other format is allowed. And submit it via Brightspace. You're probably going to need a scientific calculator or Excel, right? Either one is okay. You don't have to use both, but if you can use both, that's fine. And all the course documents will be placed in a Brightspace. I will give you some introduction in a second, like lecture videos and PowerPoint, all that stuff. You will need to have a Adobe Acrobat to view all files because they are uploaded as PDF file. Okay, now let's look at the next item, which is course schedules. So on the week 1, first week, you're going to work on the topic of linear equation 1, which is from section 1.1 to 1.5. You're going to read the textbook from section 1.1 to 1.5, and you're going to complete all homework assignments assigned below. So section 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, all questions, right? It's not too many questions. I'm going to show you where the homework assignment is located in the textbook in a second. And week 2, you're going to work on linear equation part 2. It's from you're going to read section 1.6 to 1.8 from the textbook. And then after that, complete the homework assignments, complete all the exercises from section 1.6, 1.7, and 1.8, all questions. And so basically you follow this step by step, right? Week 3, exponential equations, section 2.1, 2.2, and section 2.1, no homework assignment. You're going to need to complete all the questions from section 2.2. And week 4, you're going to work on application of exponential equation from section 2.3. And you're going to work on all questions from section 2.3. And week 5, you're going to work on written project number 1. You usually have 1 week to complete the written project number 1. And then homework from section 1.3 to 2.3, both due on Friday, March 1st. So pay attention to this due date. It's everywhere. You won't miss it. And week 6, finance on the simple interest and compound interest from section 3.1. So you're going to complete exercise from 3.1 up to question 21. And week 7, you work on compound interest in the APR, which is from section 3.2. And you're going to complete the exercise from section 3.2 up to question 10. And week 8 and 9, you're going to work on annuities from section 3.3. And you're going to finish all the homework assignments up to question 9 from section 3.3. And week 10, amortization schedules from the mortgages. It's from section 3.4. And you're going to finish question up to question 13, right? From the exercise of 3.4. Then in week 11, you're going to start working on the written project number 2. You have 1 week to complete it. And homework from section 3.1 to 3.4 is also due on Friday, April 12th. Okay. They're both due on the same date. Okay. And then week 12, probability part 1 and 2, section 4.1. Complete all the exercise from section 4.1. Week 13, expected values from section 4.2. You're going to complete all questions from section 4.2. And week 14, probability part 3 and 4, section 4.3, 4.4, no homework assignments aside. Week 15, Bayes theorem from section 4.5, no homework assignment aside. Okay, so now the last written project 3, and the homework from section 4.4, 4.1, and 4.2 are both due on Tuesday, May 14th. So Tuesday, May 14th is the last day of the semester. Okay. And if you're a disabled student, please shoot me an email. I will provide a proper accommodation. You can read through this paragraph. And again, in terms of policy on plagiarism, you're supposed to work on all the homework assignments, written projects on your own, right? And you can get help on your homework assignments from Tutoring Center, but a written project must be completed by yourself. That's very important. And if you need some special service from a different department or different support groups, you can look it up here under student services and policies. In general, you should contact Academic Skills Tutoring Center for the tutoring service if you need help on completing on a homework assignments. And you should also complete your homework assignments and written project on time. No late submission allowed. And please email me if you have any question. Since this is fully online course, so we do not have scheduled weekly meeting. And I hope you enjoy the class. So this is item number 1. I just went over with you guys. And let's look at the textbook, right? Because all the homework assignments come from the textbook. Now you open the textbook, and basically that's the content, and then after the content is the exercise. So when you open that, scroll down, starting on as the index here, you can look it up from different sections and titles. Okay, and then if you go down to scroll down I'm going to see section 1.1, introduction, no homework assignment. Section 1.2, equation, no homework assignments will be assigned. Starting on section 1.3, that's homework assignments, right? So it's called exercise 1.3 on page 9 on the PDF file of the textbook. So basically the question is determine if the equation below are linear. It's about 7 questions here. So you can answer that thoroughly, put it together. And section 1.4, you're going to have another set of the exercises in the back. Exercise 1.4, so there are about 10 questions here. So you're going to finish all the questions. And then later, you submit it as one bulk submission, a single file, PDF file. Similarly, for section 1.5, if you scroll down, you're going to see all the exercise in the back. Okay, exercise here. Okay, you're going to complete all the questions here, right, from section 1.5. Yep. So that's basically how the homework works. Again, if you have any questions, send me an email. I will provide guidance. Okay, that's a textbook. And the next thing I want to go over is the course guide. And course guide is like give you a summary of all the tasks you need to complete, and then the due date of all the assignments is summarized in the course guide. So let's look at that really quickly. So again, it's identical to the course schedule from the syllabus. So you can follow both or either one. And if you open this, you're going to see it's a document with week schedule, right? Task. That's all the work you need to complete. Homework assignments, right? It's right here, summarized. And week 2, similarly, see task assignment due. And then by the time you get to week 5, you're gonna complete the homework assignments from section 1.3 to 2.3 and submit it via Brightspace as a single file. And it's a bulk submission on Friday, March 1st, right? On or before Friday, March 1st. And you also complete the written project within a week, 1 week, and submit it via Brightspace on Friday. It's usually due on Friday, 11:59 p.m. So you should pay close attention to the due date of each assignment. Similarly, week 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then week 11, you're going to submit the homework assignments from section 3.1 to 3.4 via Brightspace as a bulk submission on Friday, April 12th, right? By the end of the day. Similarly, written project, you have 1 week to complete that, submit it before Friday, April 12th. And then also the third one, week 16, you submit the homework assignments from 4.1 and 4.2 on or before May 14th as a bulk submission. And also you have 1 week to complete the written project number 3 as submitted via Brightspace. Okay, on or before Tuesday, May 14th. Right, that's the course guide. Now let's move on to the lecture videos and PowerPoint. So I have a complete set of the lecture videos and PowerPoint for each section. So once you review the textbook from corresponding sections, now you can move on to the lecture videos, PowerPoint. Then you're going to read through. First of all, you can review the PowerPoint. So the first item is always the PowerPoint. Second item is the lecture video. You can open the PowerPoint, review that, and maybe we review that together with the lecture videos at the same time. Not a problem. So however that works for whichever works for you, right? You can, but you should review all those PowerPoint and the lecture video before you start working on a homework assignment. That will help you go over a lot of contents here in the lecture videos. So every single section has a lecture video and a PowerPoint. You should review each one of these according to the schedule. Chapter 2, Chapter 3 videos and a PowerPoint, they're all located here in a central place. Yep, so that's pretty much everything in our Brightspace course. Again, follow this schedule closely, review the textbook, the PowerPoint and the videos, and you could complete the course successfully. And the last item is a homework and written project submission. It's Dropbox. And if you look at it as a due date here, has instruction, right, for each assignment. Like homework number 1, you from section 1.3 to 2.3. Due on Friday, March 1st, you must show all work to receive full credit. You must submit a file as PDF file, right? Only PDF file. I'm gonna update this. No more files. There's a typo there, so just quickly change the instruction there. Okay. But again, I will modify that maybe. Second here. Let me see if I can modify from here. Nope. Okay. Not a problem. I'll update it later. Okay. Then written project number 1, due on March 1st. Right. Just follow all of this closely. The instruction here. So this is central place for all the submissions. Okay. So again, if you have any question, feel free to shoot me an email.